Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on Controller Mobile Full Guide. First, map controller buttons to screen taps with a reliable key mapper, assign jump and hold actions, and set sensitivity. Calibrate input timing in the mapper, adjust dead zones, and test on practice levels. Focus on rhythm and precise taps, not button mashing, and adapt layout for comfort and visibility during intense sections. You'll see improvement after short sessions. Start by mapping a comfortable primary button for single jumps and a secondary for holds, then practice small sections repeatedly. Work on timing to match audio and visual cues, and break levels into manageable chunks for focused practice. Use slight grip shifts to access combos without compromising stability, and adjust button placement after each session to reduce fatigue. Keep sessions short and deliberate to build consistent muscle memory over time. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content, and it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I use during long play sessions. It keeps you focused and sane. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If inputs feel off, reopen the mapper and verify overlays are active and allowed, then retest mapping. Reduce sensitivity or increase dead zones when phantom taps or drift occur, and try different USB or Bluetooth modes if available. Use practice or calm levels to confirm changes and avoid blind adjustments during tough runs. If issues persist, test your controller with another app to determine whether the problem is hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.